Hi, this is Neil. In this video we're going to take a look at the experimental door template plugin. Now the tricky bit of creating panel doors is not the extrusion or the beveling of the panels themselves, but actually dividing the door up. That's the thing that really takes the time. Now one approach you could take to this would be to simply slice a single polygon up into many parts, but that soon becomes very messy and it's very tricky to resize. Another approach you might take is to think, oh, I'll just use booleans, but again you're now having to maintain a second set of geometry, and things again become tricky if you want to resize or add more detail, because you have to add yet more geometry to keep track of. It also creates complex polygons, which makes cutting in detail later on a bit more tricky. It's always easier to go from many polygons to fewer than the other way around, because you can simply merge the polygons down. Hence, this tool takes a different approach where we use the second generation of the same system that was required for the multi-window tool. This has an enormous advantage because all parts of the door are known and we can resize them and name them very easily. Let's take a look at the operation of the tool. First of all, you have a limited number of panel preset layouts that you can choose between for 1, 2, 4 and 6 panel layouts. You can choose the construction method, switching between a contiguous mesh and separated islands. And then we have size presets. These are commonly used door sizes to enable you to very quickly get to the size that you require. You can obviously control this independently if you wish to get custom door sizes. Both height and width can be changed. And then you can control the size of the various elements, from style and mullion width to the rail heights, and also the rail positions. Note in this tool that the rail positions are actually targets. One thing to note is as we squash the window down, you'll notice only the panel size is changing and everything else is preserved. These rail position targets are used because it prevents you from having to constantly re-enter the values for lock and rail height every time you squash or stretch a door, and the tool will automatically try to push those elements as close to the target height as possible for you. And that's about it. Once you've created the panel door, you can quickly select the panels, and then it's just a case of extruding and beveling, which should be pretty fast to do in Modo.